What's up guys, today I'm going to share a side-by-side comparison of two action cameras, the CT9500 and the CT9900, made and sold by Crosstour. I recently shared a detailed review of the latest action camera to be released by Crosstour, the CT9900. Since publishing this review, I've been asked how this camera compares with its cheaper counterpart, the CT9500. This video will provide a comparison with side-by-side sample footage to help you decide which camera is right for you. But first, here is a quick overview of the specifications. As shown, both cameras offer 4K video and 20 megapixel photos for under £100. The CT9900 offers a slight increase in frame rate at maximum resolution and boasts the benefit of a touchscreen. Both cameras have inbuilt electronic image stabilization at full resolution, which is a definite selling point. On paper, the CT9900 may seem like the obvious choice, but how do they compare in real-world testing? Please note that the following footage has not been edited or enhanced in any way. At first glance, both cameras provide clear 4K video with vibrant yet well-balanced colours. But on closer inspection, it seems that the CT9500 provides a sharper image and retains a greater level of detail in regions of low light. In some cases, the colours produced by the CT9900 appear slightly washed out, whereas the colours produced by the CT9500 appear natural and well balanced. When slowing down the 4K footage, the CT9900 demonstrates a high level of motion blur, which is not the case for the CT9500. At 240 frames per second, the image produced by the CT9500 appears a lot sharper and the colours continue to appear more natural and well balanced. The CT9900 only offers a 170-degree wide-angle field of view, whereas the CT9500 offers a narrow, medium and wide field of view, which is certainly worth considering. As shown, the electronic image stabilization produced by both cameras is very effective. In my opinion, the CT9500 offers slightly better image stabilization compared to the CT9900. Both cameras offer time-lapse and hyperlapse features. Similar to the 4K video capture, the CT9500 contains a lot more detail when compared to the CT9900, and the colours appear more natural and well balanced. Both cameras produce 20 megapixel photos. By comparison, the colours produced by the CT9900 are more vibrant but contain less detail in areas of low light. In my opinion, the CT9500 produces a more natural looking image. While the CT9900 offers a few beneficial features, such as the touchscreen, I believe that the quality of the photos and videos produced by the CT9500 are far superior when compared side by side. Thank you for taking the time to watch this review. I hope that this comparison has been useful. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Have a great day.